Welcome to momedaram. In this video we will see need of arrays in Java. Java variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. So variables are used to store the data values. If we want to store the string data, we will use string variable like string name is equals to momedaram. By using this statement, we store the string value. If we want to store the integer values, we will use int variables. The data type will be int. Int roll number is equals to 123. So by using this statement, stores the integer here without decimals. So without decimal we can call as integer. If you want to store the float data, then we will use float data type. And if you want to store single character, that time we will use character variable. So by using this character variable, we can able to store the single character like such as A, B, M, anything we can able to store as a single character. If you want to store the boolean data, that is true or false, that time we will use boolean variable. So by using these variables, we can able to store the data values. Suppose a class contains 100 students and we want to store their roll numbers. We need 100 separate variables for storing the roll numbers. That means if we want to store 100 student details, roll numbers, we need 100 variables like roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3 and so on up to roll number 100. In this, we have initialized and declared in the single statement. For 100 statements will be 100 variables will be there. And sometimes we will just initialize and we will declare in somewhere. That time for these 100 variables, there will be 200 statements will be there. So this is not recommended approach. To store these variables with the same type, that time we will go with arrays. Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Instead of declaring separate variables for each value, we will use arrays to store multiple values. That means if you see here, int array roll numbers is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. So by using arrays, we can able to store multiple values of same data type. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching.